What's the meaning of cash-starved? Cash-starved. Cash-starved.
Cash-starved. Cash-starved. Cash-starved means to be lacking in financial resources or experiencing a severe shortage of cash. When an individual or organization is cash-starved, they may find it difficult to pay bills, invest in growth opportunities, or simply manage day-to-day expenses. This can lead to a range of negative consequences, such as missed payments, bankruptcy, or even closure of the business. The situation can also cause stress and anxiety for individuals, which may have a negative impact on their overall well-being. Ultimately, being cash-starved can severely limit one's ability to achieve long-term financial stability and success.